Riverside County is a big place. We are home to about 2.4 million residents, and we are still growing.
50% of those are Latino and 35% of those speak Spanish at home.
With a county this large, you might expect strong participation in our annual budget hearings. Historically, that has not been the case.
During the 2024 budget process, we came to a very stark realization when we only had 17 people show up at our budget hearings to provide impact. And some of that impact was that our budget was too complicated to understand, that we didn't do enough to get out to the community and really get an understanding of what the needs are.
A common assumption used to be that the public really wasn't interested in things like the county's budget, but actually they're very interested in things like the county's budget.
The lack of participation was not because people did not care.
Many residents don't have access to internet, don't feel comfortable using smartphones, computers.
The problem was access. We set out to change that.
Put simply, the folks that we spend our money on, since it's their money, they should have a voice in how we deliver those services and what we spend on.
We need to go that extra mile to get them to participate.
So the Board of Supervisors challenged the Executive Office to develop a full campaign to really get the outreach that we so need in developing the budget.
This campaign was specifically designed to make community participation simple, accessible, and most importantly, meaningful. Our first step was developing the survey. In collaboration with the county CEO, the communications, and the budget teams, we shaped questions that really reflected community priorities.
We focused on translating technical financial information into something clear and accessible to the public.
We wanted the survey to feel less like a questionnaire and more like an open door. To expand our outreach, we focused on earned media. Local news outlets, community publications, and radio stations helped amplify the message that residents' input was welcome and can influence the county's priorities.
And we got almost 24,000 responses.
Many Latinos do not like to participate due to many reasons, including language barriers, mistrust in government. So we knew we needed to do something beyond just doing the survey online.
Multilingual outreach and community partnerships ensured that engagement truly reflected Riverside County's diverse communities.
We're collaborating with local community organizations. So the Legal Center started distributing these hard copies of the survey at their local workshops, at their local office locations throughout the county. And by the time the survey closed, we had a total of 968 Spanish responses.
And we also created a Budget 101 guide to explain how the county budget works. No acronyms, no jargon. People could just understand how we make our decisions. And for the first time, we held evening budget workshops in every board district.
It was an incredible journey working in each of the districts and seeing all of the unique needs in each of the 5 districts.
The goal was simple. We wanted to hear directly from our community while the budget was still being developed, not after decisions were already been made.
Spanish interpreters were at each one of these workshops. That back and forth, regardless of language, that's gold.
So these sessions weren't just lectures, they were conversations.
Transparency was open both ways, that we would listen to them and they would hear our thought process. And together we helped make decisions.
It was very exciting to see the community start understanding the budget given its complexity.
We were gratified to learn that the things that the community wanted us to spend on were the things that we were already spending on. Health services, human services, public safety, and transportation infrastructure.
The Budget 101 was the best thing that we have done in years.
Together, these efforts transformed a technical process into a community-driven experience.
We were able to change the number of people commenting on our budget from 17 to almost 30,000 people. 24,000 responses, another 500 in person, plus the telephone town hall. Is just extraordinary.
It's extremely exciting to see our unique approach working with the public, having it be reflected in the budget that we put together and the services that they get.
I am excited and I'm proud of the work of our team. They took this challenge and ran with it, exceeding not only their own expectations, but that of the Board of Supervisors and, quite frankly, that of the community. It's going to become an annual thing that we do every single year here in Riverside County.